my super mega sexy G's. Right now we're gonna go pick up Farghini. He's at Mercedes in Beverly Hills. He said we need to go because he's buying something. I actually don't believe shit. So let's go see what's going on. Let's go! Oh, the trunk, which normally it's right here. There you go.
You're not gonna believe who I just saw.
Farghini.
Yes.
You called us and said you were buying a car. Are you fucking for real? We didn't come all the way out here for nothing, right?
I have to buy a car today.
Why?
My baby mama. Because the other C-Class, I'm almost 20,000 miles over.
Oh, right.
It's like a disaster.
Oof. Hey, can you explain what happens when you're 1,000 miles over your lease?
That's 25 cents a mile, dude. I'm like $5,000 negative right now.
Can I tell you something? That's actually a pretty good deal. On my Ghost, it's $2 a mile over, and I'm 4,000 miles over
We talked
already.
about it yesterday.
What?
I'm gonna end up buying my car. I don't.
Oh no.
We all got mileage problems.
Did you already pick the car, or are we here to pick
we're gonna go pick and do all that stuff.
What are they doing here? Because I saw
I
you
actually
already
just saw
eating.
him on it. Yeah, he was already on the buffet.
I am sorry that you had to deal with him from the start. I apologize.
Look, empty the table.
I'm sorry.
Please, I've been calling you. Where have you been? He's done. He's emptying the whole thing.
They're gonna think you don't get paid in the show and that, you know, we don't have like benefits and all that shit. I am.
This guy is starving.
I'm sorry, hubby.
No. Did this cost anything or was it free?
Free.
That's why he gets attracted to free things.
I know.
You guys don't like free things?
AMG GTS convertible with the Pan America bullshit grill. But look at that. That's carbon fiber. I've never seen it like this in a car before. At least not in a Mercedes. That looks good. Oh shit, it's got even more here.
Is it me or is Mercedes one of the only ones experimenting and trying new things with
I
carbon
think
fiber
they
in
right
the
now
car,
they
right?
are. I think right now they are
We've
because
seen two or
remember
three-
in the G wagon they had the felt like carbon fiber.
Yeah,
you're right.
They're trying new things.
Let's go find your car.
What happened? And you weren't recording. The worst part is you weren't recording. Alejandro down. Man down. Yeah, we need security footage.
I nailed myself right in the knee hole.
The knee. Is your GTR market adjusted already?
Is there any more GTRs? Which would explain why Parker, I don't know if you guys saw, Parker reviewed the GTR. That's why I'm driving it, because I really felt like driving it. He can't find one. He was asking me if he could buy mine. I was like, nah. And then I called, our friend, and he said no.
So why don't you market adjust yours and give it to him?
Because I don't want to. I really like the car. Do you know what car exactly you're looking for?
I have a price that I have to be with.
Okay.
It has to have a sticker of 43,000.
So CLA or C-Class?
Yeah.
They just redid the floor here, right? They also redid all of that area. It was under construction for a while, so they could replace the coffee machine.
With a coffee machine, and apparently it was just installed and it doesn't work.
Literally today. And Yvonne was like, literally the guy just left.
Oh.
Why are you so impressed by a Maybach? This one specifically is so crazy. Why? Could it be all the chrome that it has all around it? Oh, and they didn't put that awful chocolate in this one. This is really, really nice. Let me see on the back. Oh yeah, this is way better than anything. Hang on, actually. Let me see it on that side. Are you okay? Are you Farghini down?
Hey, what's wrong with us today?
We said that we were our best this morning, and we're not.
It's a very dangerous job.
Hey,
It is.
take me home. I don't want to be a part of it. I'm next in line. I'm just gonna stand here.
Yep. This is what I need, Farghini.
This is it?
Focusing on my private parts.
I've been trying to focus. I can't find it.
Farghini and I just noticed this other S-Class because we're trying to figure out what the differences are between that one and like the regular ones. We're guessing the front on that is like the new front that all of the new cars have. That's why it looks different. But this one looks so cool. You see that? And all of the black, like Farghini, you brought this up. All of the black details that the car makers are putting on the car, at least Mercedes, they look so good.
Just mention it. Look at the chrome.
Right there. So in between the doors, I don't know what that's called. And in here, it's not. But there's that.
The designers are going into these micro details.
Yeah.
Right? And
Because that's what normally people do. They buy the car and you go and do those. And now they're getting ahead of it.
Yeah.
I like that. This is really cool. I know it's sold, but whoever ordered this is a fucking pimp. Look at this screen. It's just like the E-Class now. This is serious.
This is a sharp-looking car.
Yeah, this is
How much
serious.
is this?
Whoa. Take a guess.
Quanto cuesta?
Take a guess.
170?
183.
Farshad, that's out of your price range for today.
I'm gonna say one of the most boring things on earth is to pick the cars in front of you guys because you're not gonna see all of our arguments and all of that. We're gonna save you that pain in the ass. We're just gonna find the car that Farghini needs, wants, that he can get approved on because credit is a very real thing. And also, I'm just showing you little cars that I think are very interesting and very sexy. Like this. Is that a GLA?
45, man.
Ivan, I'm so sorry you're watching this.
This is Ivan.
Ivan, I am so sorry. Holy shit. Wow. That is really good looking.
Alejandro, we lost. The meter maids won.
Ugh.
The meter people won.
That is horrible. Look, none of these other cars have it installed.
That's a hard,
Along
that's
with
a hard
mine.
install.
Yeah, you gotta
not
drill
just
through
like
it.
placed on there?
Nope, you drill through it. No,
I think I know what part of the problem is. When you buy the new car, they make you sign a thing that says the front.
They always do.
bracket.
They've always done that. They always give you these. No, they're not gonna put them in the cars. I guarantee you that. But this
Except
one
this
has it.
one,
Oh.
Do you see what this is?
The wagon 63,
Somebody
homie.
get the keys
Black on
now.
black.
Somebody get the keys now.
Buddy,
What is
sorry. Black on black G63 wagon.
Keys
the
now.
E63 wagon? No!
Yep.
This thing.
No!
Oh.
G-badge?
Yeah, this is one classy vehicle. By the way, we don't get a lot of wagons here in the US, so these are very exciting to see here.
But Alejandro, specifically
Should we
the
take it out?
AMG.
Should we take it out?
120 grand. Yes.
Let's go get the keys.
Let's
We
go
gotta
get.
the keys.
Let's go talk to him. Yes, indeed. You guys don't understand how much I love wagons, and I've never been able to own one. I never find the right excuse, so this is
pretty.
amazing.
So pretty.
Amazing
See that?
looking. Oh, wow. We'll be right back. Thank you.
You're welcome. It is pretty.
Oh, no. Look at the inside. Holy shit. Look at that. Whoa. This is beautiful. Okay, we'll be right back. We don't want you getting run over. Thank you, Javi. Look at the screens. I mean, it's just like Parker's car. The buttons are so nice all around, and obviously the speakers. Look at this, guys. Comfort, Sport Plus, or Race.
There we go.
There's fucking Race.
In a wagon. There's launch control.
Hang on, guys. This is a brand new car. I'm not gonna do that to the owner of the car. This is.
But what if you're the owner of the new car?
Why, Farshad?
Because you always wanted
Why
a
are you
wagon. You
doing
need
this
a
to me?
wagon. I hope when you buy the car, the graphic covers the doors. No, I'm being serious. That's fucked up. No.
Why am I gonna buy that? Whoa! Whoa!
I just hit myself with the
Dude,
camera.
that threw me back. That threw me back in my seat.
No.
Oh no, are you getting this?
No.
This is a rocket. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight.
I don't know what to do, guys.
Whoa! Shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you see? It felt like it preloaded and like it was ready to go. Oh man!
This is a monster. Oh my god!
Somebody get Yvonne on the phone now with the finance department now.
You felt that, right?
Oh my god.
And it doesn't
Hey.
matter at what speed.
Yeah, and there's no lag. There's no lag in this
And
car.
the gearbox on this one is. Oh my. How is this fucking real? Wow. How is this
This will destroy
anything
almost anything on the
on the
street.
road? Yeah.
Anything.
Anything. This is like Tesla fast. I'm trying to justify in my head, how can I make this make sense for me? Anyone has ideas? Buddy?
Yeah, we need a camera car.
Yeah. We need to haul stuff.
We need a camera car.
merchandise.
We get it in black, or we just go wrap it in black, matte black, so we don't get reflections. And then we have the hatch out the back, and we'll put in like a seat.
We already have the pickup trucks. I need better excuses, guys.
No.
I need a better excuse so I can buy
Hey,
this.
Father, these are so fast. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna have so much fun, dude. We're gonna drive around.
I know, but hang on. I have an AMG GTR.
Cops are gonna look at it and they're like, it wasn't that guy going fast.
Yeah, exactly. And also, the GTR only fits 2 people. We're 3, or maybe 4 or 5 people. What do you want to do when you have 5 people?
I don't know, but I love it. Buddy just did bring up a great point. I said I'm buying a Navigator because I want an unassuming car, it can take everywhere and all that stuff, right?
Yeah.
This is pretty unassuming, right? What can you do for me price-wise?
No way. You want it?
I love it. It's so
I'm
amazing.
shocked.
What?
I'm shocked.
It's amazing. Fucking smile, piece of shit. While Yvonne checks what deal I can get. Let's go see the space so that I can, at least, the one excuse we said was for the airport, right? That's what Buddy got me with.
An unassuming car for us to travel.
For us to travel, airport, all that
Correct.
stuff, right? That's let's go check the space.
Are we getting it?
Let's go check the space first. Before I already told Yvonne to find me a deal. Oh yeah, I can fit all my bags here. Oh fuck!
Hey, and don't forget all your wife's bags too.
Oh, hold on. Just in case.
All the way down.
Oh my god!
All the way
No
down.
excuses now. All your luggage will go there. All the luggage will go.
Hey, don't get me wrong. The Navigator is a beautiful car. Rodrigo's getting one, so we're good.
Hey, also we'll get a roof rack for more luggage. Like, don't worry about luggage. If luggage is holding you back, we got it
By the
also.
way, and also, Rodrigo's put enough days on your Golf that you have plenty of credit on his Navigator.
Very good point.
Let's go inside. I don't want to deal with this. Okay, no more of this. We can't stay here any longer because I'm gonna go crazy. Did you find your car? Did you go GLA?
C300.
Again?
Yes.
You're and they call me the cartoon. You're the cartoon.
In my opinion, I think the C-Class is a better platform than the CLA. The CLA, in my opinion, I think it's more.
You never told Ivan that when he was getting it.
Ivan, cut that out. And there she is. The
white one?
The baby mama mobile.
Hold on. So Ivan has a white GLA. I have a white GLC.
And now you have a white C.
Look at that. Best way to go, white. And my baby mama's white.
Oh yeah, you're right. Hey, power to you, Farshad. Okay. Well done. So what's the deal with this?
So my old car, which is over there, was like a fully loaded one.
Yeah.
This can't be as loaded because I incurred 20,000 miles of overages and the mileage on there. So
you gotta carry that.
So I had to take $5,000. Actually, not me, Yvonne. Pull some string, took $5,000 and like buried it into this and made it all work. But it's got the
legally
basic stuff. Yeah,
she buried the $5,000 legally.
Out in the desert where Tommy goes.
Yeah. Also, can I say that my favorite thing that my daughter's gonna absolutely love?
Hang on,
My C's got
That's so good.
Oh, and
this is epic.
Yeah, it's really nice. Can I tell you
Congratulations,
Can I tell you the
Farghini.
best feature I got?
Yeah.
They have this new thing now where it's like,
DuPont?
no, not DuPont. It's like $40 a month, right? But you could return the car up to 7,500 of wear and tear and damage and all that kind of stuff.
Oh, and you definitely are gonna take that.
And the baby mama needs that, so I'm good. Literally, we're gonna return the car like.
Hey, good for you. Good for you. I love this. And it's beautiful. Then we're gonna make it official right now. Farghini's gonna get the keys to his car and he's gonna be able to leave right now.
Even though I have the keys, can you hand me the keys?
There you go.
Okay. And this. Oh, and I
Where's
can't go without
the
this.
sticker?
Yeah.
Where's the sticker?
What? I didn't bring it.
Okay.
It's not in there?
Wait a second.
No. You just had it, Ivan.